Mr. Nilesh Mehta, Mr. Madhu Jisrani, Mr. Dilip Mendes, all of whom have sent in their best wishes, but unfortunately they couldn't be present with us today due to prior commitments. You all are here for the kit launch of Team ARTT, Arabian Region Travel and Tourism, uh, which is participating in the A division of the Oman Cricket. Let me just start with explaining what our kit is, and we will come back to the rest. This is the old kit which was there, which we used last season. ARTT was formed last season. We started off this season with a new design. We had a lot of negativity last season. We started with a new sunrise right at the bottom, which also represents obviously the sunrise, new beginning, and it is also a design to ARTT, Arabian Region Travel and Tourism. We have the Mustard Pharmacy logo right in the front. We have Al Ansari Group logo on the right hand sleeve. We have Appetite, which is one of the top restaurants in Oman. It's a part of Koliwada, if you have noticed. We obviously on the front side you have Mustard Pharmacy, you have Arabian Region Travel and Tourism, ARTT logo. We have kept it very simple, normal design. We have the high collar sleeves. We have on the back we have the name, we have the number. We have again kept it very simple here. Now looking at the left sleeve, we have the Oman Tech and we have Immuno. Immuno, as you know, is one of the top water brands in Oman, and Oman Tech is one of the top piping suppliers in the PPR industry and the specialized piping solutions. So we have obviously chosen all the best options to partner with us. We have not gone with second best in any criteria. We have Ahmed Bhai, our captain this year for Team ARTT, and coming back to our amazing partners. इदरीस भाई, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और बड़ी खुशी हो रही है आपका सारी टीम का, और खास करके आपकी जो किट है नई, उसको देख के तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है और बहुत ही अच्छी
कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कैसा है?
बहुत अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है, और खास करके जो नीचे का जो ऑरेंज है ना, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। ऐसा लगता है गुजराती कलर नहीं होता, थोड़ा अपना फेस्टिवल पे ज्यादातर यूज करते हैं वो कलर है, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है
जी बहुत।
और हम लोग उम्मीद करते हैं ये साल आप जीतेंगे जरूर
इंशाल्लाह। चैंपियनशिप चाहिए ये साल इंशाल्लाह।
जरूर।
We have Mr. Naushad Ismail. He is our playing partner. He is also playing with us. He is representing Al Mardoof Shopping. Naushad, how do you feel? You have been with the team? How do you feel about the team? What do you think?
It's a blend of experience and youth. It's a very nice team. We can achieve more. I am on behalf of Al Mardoof. I am wishing all the very best for the upcoming season.
Thank you very much, Naushad. I have Mr. Laibu and Mr. Ajay Pandey. I would like to group both of you all together. You're both, from Oman Tech. What do you think? How do you think Oman Tech being with us? How do you think will gain as a brand image? And how do you think Oman Tech is growing? It's one of the top growing manufacturing local companies in Oman. How do you think Oman Tech is doing with ARTT?
First of all, we would like to thank the association to be one of our sponsors, giving us a chance to be a part of a sponsor.
Thank you.
And as Oman Tech is a new brand and coming up, emerging in the market in a very straight way, depending on the quality of the product. And same, what I feel is this time was tough, but as from Oman Tech team, we wish you all the success for the coming session.
Right.
And hope that you all enjoy. It's very nice to see a team of youngsters among us.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So guys, let's introduce you or give you a small introduction about what our team is. Our team includes Amir Ali. He's an ex-national player, one of the main reasons who qualified Oman to the national team. This is Amir Ali. Amir Ali, mask hata lo yaar. We also have Zishan Siddiqui. He's another experienced national cricketer. He's also another important reason for Oman qualifying to the World Cup on the very first occasion. Two backbones of Oman team are going to be the two backbones of ARTT. We have Akil Khan, massively experienced in the Premier Division, has been playing for Enhance and many of the top teams. Now he's going to be a part of Team ARTT. We obviously have the mix of youngsters. We have Sanjay, we have Adil, and we have many other such youngsters who are looking for their platform to come up to the bigger division and prove themselves to the national team. This is going to be their opportunity. We also have a couple of players who are going to be coming in. We have Abrar. He was one of the top run scorers for B division. He's coming to A division to prove his skills and quality, which is going to be very crucial for us. He's known for his clean striking capability. We obviously have Mohsin. He's also competing for the national team. He was a part of the Oman Junior under 19 team. One of the top fast bowlers which has played for the junior league. We obviously have Mudassir, who has the experience in A division, and he's coming back to A division after a break, and he's the left arm pacer for our team. And we obviously have Adil. Adil started off the season in the first match with 100 and followed it up with a 50 in the second game. He's unbeaten so far, and we wish him the very best. Ahmed Bhai, last but not the least, our captain. At 54 years of age, he is one of the fittest players in our team. Very quick running between the wickets, and always performing. Whether with the bat, ball, field, does not matter. And his leadership skills, we all know about. Ahmed Bhai, क्या लग रहा है आपको ये साल के बारे में?
ये साल के बारे में तो पूरी जो टीम है अपनी सेल्फ जो अपना सब कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे जी, तो इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर हम लोग आगे तक जाएंगे। मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि हम जीत जाएंगे, हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे जी, कि क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर हमने कुछ बोला था, हुआ कुछ जी, तो इसलिए हम लोग पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि हम लोग फाइनल विनर बने जी। और बाकी हमारे साथ कुछ सीनियर्स हैं, ज़ीशान है, आमिर है, अकील है, बाकी आपकी खुद परफॉर्मेंस एक अच्छी है, और ये बहुत हार्ड वर्कर है प्रणव, और इसमें एक श्रेयस है जो हमारे साथ, इन लोगों का बहुत इंटरनल सपोर्ट जो है बहुत मिलता है, और ये आप लोगों के साथ पता नहीं चलता कहाँ दौड़ते रहते हैं, मेहनत करते रहते हैं, हम लोग को छोटा छोटा सा कंट्रीब्यूशन मिलता है, हम लोग उसको टीम लेके चलते हैं। ये हम और प्रणव, बाकी श्रेयस, हम लोग ये टीम लेके चल रहे हैं 3 साल से, तो माशाल्लाह हम लोग का काफ़ी धीरे धीरे ग्रोथ हो रहा है। हम दुआ करते हैं कि आगे भी हम लोग का, हमारे साथ कुछ लड़के अभी जुड़े भी हैं इस साल 2-3 नए, और भी आगे अच्छे, ये भी लोग आमिर हैं, दिशान है, ये लोग भी हमारे साथ इस साल जुड़े, देखते हैं क्या होता है। इंशाल्लाह आप लोग सैटरडे को आइए, हम लोगों का फर्स्ट मैच है स्टार्ट, आप लोग की विशेष चाहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Before we conclude, a big mention to Ali Bhai. Ali Bhai unfortunately could not make it to the kit distribution. He does not need any mention. He is the owner of our title sponsor, Arabian Region Travel and Tourism, one of the leading airline ticket suppliers in Oman. Do visit him and you will not be disappointed. I also would like to mention Shreyas. He has been, एक बार भी अहमद भैया मुझे कोई चीज़ देखनी नहीं पड़ती ओमान क्रिकेट related. There's a lot of documentation that is to be done, lot of hard work, coordination, player coordination, arrangements, everything is managed, hands free. We just have to come to the ground, we have to just come and play, and everything is managed. So a big mention and a big thank you to Shreyas from every one of us, and a big thank you to all our amazing partners who have been with us this year, and we look forward to many upcoming years, and we hope we share it with you this year.